Numberblocks Fun, where learning's just begun.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Hi friends, now Rafan's gonna show you how to make number block 41. So all you need green blocks 40 and then one red block. So what you're gonna do, take 10 green blocks, add side by side 4 of them, and then add the red block, and your 41 is ready. And do you know 41 is a prime number, and also when you add square two numbers, which is 25 and 16, it becomes 41. Here we put the number link and the sticker, and here you can see the sticker is what shape? Checkerboard. Yes, so now we're gonna make the checkerboard 41. So all you need a red block at the center, and you add 4 green block at the side and other side, and on at the top you're gonna add 7 green block, at the bottom you're gonna add 7 green block. Now I'm adding 5 green block at the bottom, and then 5 green block at the top, and then 3 green block at the bottom, and then 3 green block at the top. And finally we're going to add 1 green block at the bottom and 1 green block at the top. So your checkerboard is ready. Now Rafan is showing you how to add 2 orange block with 40 and make number block 42. And number block 42 is very special because it has a teleport band. So we're going to add the teleport band here, and it's ready to teleport. Alright, so next we move on to number block 43. So all we need is 3 yellow block with 40 and our favorite sticker. 43 is ready. Now it's time for 44. We're going to add 4 green block, darker green block on top of 40, and our 44 is ready. Let's put the sticker. Yes! Alright, your 44 is ready. Isn't it so beautiful? Yes, you have to press hard sometime for putting the sticker. Now it's time for 45. So 45 is very special in a way that you have to make a step squat. So it means, so all you have to do, you have to make a step. So it means you have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So all you have to make the numbers in and add them in a vertical way, and then you're gonna make your number block 45 in a step squat manner. Yes. So this is our step squat is ready. Our step is ready for 45, and we're gonna put the number link and the sticker. And sticker is also in a form of step squat. Isn't it so nice? Yes. All right, let's move on to number block 46. So all we're gonna need 40 green blocks, and we need 6 indigo blocks, and our number block 46 is ready. So we're gonna put the sticker and the number link, and this is our 46. Now let's move on to number block 47, which is made of 40 green blocks, and all you need the wonderful color of the rainbow to make 47, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. So while we're ready with the number blocks, let's put the number link and the sticker. Yes, the sticker is in a different form, but that's okay. We're going to put the sticker and the number link, and our 47 is ready. Now let's move on to number block 48. So you know what is 48? 40 plus 8 is 48. So we're going to take 40 green blocks, and this time we're going to add the green blocks in a different way. So previous 40s were 4 by 10, but this time 40 we're going to make in 5 by 8 because we are adding 8 to the 40. So this 40 we're going to make 5 by 8, which is 40, and then add your 8 purple, magenta blocks, and your number block 48 will be ready. So this is a very nice rectangle. So all we're going to do is put our number link and the sticker, and then our number block 48 will be ready. So 48 is 40 plus 8. Now what are we going to do? We're going to move on to the next number block, which is number block 49, which is a square. So all you're going to do, make 9 blocks, which is a square, and then you add around the 9 block, you're going to add the green blocks and make a square. So here is the square 49. All you're going to do now, put the number link and the sticker, and our number block 49 is ready. Now let's move on to the final number block, which is number block 50. And here is our different color, which is blue, light blue in color, 50. And we're going to make number block 50. So all you have to do, you have to make 10 blue blocks, and like that 10 blue blocks, you have to make 5 of them. So 5 times 10 is 50. So this is how you make the blue 50 number block. Do you know that number block 50 is a super rectangle, and when you put the faceplate, you will see it has got 2 eyes, and one of the eyes is a shooting star, which is which color? Golden in color. Yes, golden shooting star, and which is visible only upon putting some light. And also number block 50 fond of playing rock music. Yes, just like number block 5, it is very fond of music. So, will you be making number block 50 with me? Say yes, yes. All right. So, number block 50 is done. We put the faceplate here and the number link, and our number block 50 is ready. So, if you like our content, please subscribe.